In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Far Cry 6 not opening or loading. First, open Steam, find the game, go to the games folder. So go to Properties, Installed Files, Browse, then find Far Cry.exe. Right click, Properties, Compatibility, then enable these options, and then click Apply, and then OK. Next, try and see if it fixes the issue. If it doesn't, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. And then after it's done, check if it fixes the issue. If you're still experiencing issues, then your last option is to right-click, Manage, uninstall, and then reinstall the game. And before you restart the game, make sure you restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes your error.